In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wet glass effect in Luminar NEO. If you've ever wanted your photo to feel like it was shot through rain-splashed glass or misty condensation, this technique is for you. Luminar NEO doesn't have a one-click wet glass button, so we'll build it with overlays, layers, and blend modes for a realistic result. First, you need a wet glass texture or overlay. This is simply an image of water droplets or foggy condensation on glass. You can use a texture you already have, download one from the Luminar marketplace that includes water drop surfaces, or find rain textures online and save them to your computer. PNG or JPG files both work. Higher resolution textures give you sharper droplets, and you can always try a few to match the mood of your photo. Overlays in NEO are added as layers, which makes them easy to position and control. Open your photo in Luminar NEO and switch to Edit. In the Layers panel at the top right, click the plus icon and choose Add New Image Layer, then select the wet glass texture you downloaded. It will appear on top of your photo as its own layer. Now position and scale it. Use the corner handles to resize and drag to place the droplets where you want them. A slight rotation or gentle stretch can help the pattern follow the angle of a window or camera perspective. Avoid extreme stretching that makes drops look unnaturally long. Next, blend the texture for realism. In Layer Properties, change the blend mode. Screen, Overlay, and Soft Light are the most useful. Screen is often the best for water because it hides the dark background of the texture and keeps the bright droplets. After choosing a mode, lower the layer opacity until the effect feels integrated with the scene rather than pasted on. Refine the effect with masking. With the texture layer active, open masking, pick the brush, and paint with black to hide the texture where you don't want it. A soft brush and a moderate strength create smooth transitions. Work around faces, eyes, or key subjects so they remain clear of water spots, and let the effect live more in the foreground or edges. For optional enhancements, add a slight blur to the texture layer to soften harsh edges and simulate glass depth, and consider a subtle light or glow overlay on another layer set to screen to mimic highlights on the glass. That's it. An authentic wet glass look in Luminar NEO built from layers and thoughtful blending.